Hi everyone, Matt Kinders here, week 4 assignment in AEP 880VH. I'm currently located in the city of Shanghai, China. I've been teaching and working here, living here for the last 3.5 years. So I'm going to cover the religions of Shanghai, and specifically the religions that the native people of Shanghainese adhere to. The purpose of this presentation is to introduce the audience, that's you, to whoever's watching, is introduce you to the city of Shanghai. I'm going to introduce you to the religions of the Shanghainese people, and I'll describe these major religions that the majority of native Shanghainese people would say that they are a member of. About Shanghai real quickly, Shanghai is China's busiest container port in all of mainland China. Shanghai is the world's busiest container port as of 2017. That includes all the imports and exports on those large container ships that you see that carry all these products that are manufactured, raw materials, and these low-end technological processes that occur here in China and are shipped all over the world. Shanghai is that major port of that global economy. It's also a very, very dense population, a small amount of area. As of 2017, the total population was 24.6 million people, and the latest estimates in 2019 put it at about 26 million people. Shanghai is also mainland China's financial center. There's trillions of dollars, coming in and going out of Shanghai every day. It is also a major destination for foreign direct investment, and Shanghai is also a major tourist destination, being the modern city that it is. So, the largest religions that people prescribe to here in Shanghai, well, being the modern city that it is with such a diverse population, backgrounds, and history, many people now consider themselves to be non-religious. The next in line would be Chinese folk religion and or Han Buddhism. So Han Buddhism is kind of been transcribed over from the Himalayan Buddhists in India. And Chinese folk religion has more or less been blended into what is now today modern Han Buddhism. So while they can be separated in many regards, they are kind of integrated to become one religion. There's also Taoism, which was created here, a theology that was created here in China as well. So the non-religious people, obviously, they adhere to no specific organized religion. There's a blend of about 87% of the population are either non-religious or prescribed to Han Buddhism here in Shanghai. In the country itself, 85% of Chinese people identify as Han Buddhists, whereas 15% would identify as non-religious. So Shanghai is kind of a marvel on its own, compared to the rest of other major cities in mainland China right now. But Han Buddhism itself is comprised of 4 integral beliefs. The first one being Tian, which is heaven, the source of moral meaning. The next one is Qi, or reality, the substance of which all things are made. The third one is Jingzhu, the worship of one's ancestors, and Bao Ying, which is moral reciprocity. All of these interact to kind of bring balance and harmony to one's life, and that you should measure each one and ensure that you are balancing your decisions and your actions each day in these guidelines. Taoism used to be very popular in China. In modern times, it's pretty rare. Nevertheless, it still has a large following in China. This is the belief that human beings and nature are in harmony when balanced. And so celestial bodies like the sun, the moon, earth, star, skies, other deities, and humans themselves, they all play a role in the individual's life, and they all balance each other. So This is the religion that gave birth to the yin yang and the balance of opposites. For human beings, the power of qi, jing, and xin, which essentially means harmony, genuine energy, and spirit. These are considered the fundamental building blocks of this theology and how they need to balance between human beings and nature in order to ensure a happy life. So I looked up these on the internet. I was referencing a few materials. Hope you enjoyed the quick background of Shanghai and its religions. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you later.